is a popular herbal remedy that is widely used for a number of skin problems. Witch hazel has antioxidant, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory and astringent properties, so it can prevent and cure acne conditions. Applying witch hazel to acne-prone skin can help slow down inflammation, redness, oiliness and bleeding. As a natural cleanser, it is capable of reducing bacterial growth on the skin and speeds up the time needed to heal infections or scabs. It tightens the skin by shrinking and pulling it together. This reduces the size of pores of the skin, hence reduces clogging. In addition to clearing acne, witch hazel offers anti-aging benefits to the skin. It can ease puffiness, blotchiness and other signs of aging. How to use witch hazel for acne. Dip a cotton ball in some witch hazel oil and dab it on your acne. You will notice an amazing difference in the way you look after using witch hazel oil for a few days. Your skin would appear clearer and firmer. Repeat the method twice a day. You can add few drops of tea tree oil into the witch hazel for faster results. Honey and witch hazel face mask. Prepare a paste of 1 tablespoon of witch hazel and 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply this paste on the affected area and leave it on for 15 minutes before washing off with cool water.